In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add editors to your Weebly website in just 5 minutes. Now, this process is straightforward, but it's important to follow along step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Weebly website, which you can find at weebly.com. Once the page is loaded, you should see various options for building a free website or online store. What you're looking for next is the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked login, you'll be directed to a page where you need to enter your login credentials. First, type in your email address associated with your Weebly account. After entering your email, you'll notice a next button. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your password on the subsequent page. Carefully type in your password to ensure there are no errors, because you'll need to log in successfully to proceed. Once you're ready, press the login button to access your Weebly dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll land on an overview page. From this overview section, look for and click on the option that says Edit Site. This will redirect you to the site editor where you can make all the necessary changes. At this point, you should be able to see various tabs and options. What you're looking for now is the Settings tab. Click on it and a menu will unfold revealing different customizable options for your site. Among these options is one labeled Editors. Select this to proceed. In the Editors section, you'll want to click on Add Editor, which is typically pretty straightforward to find on the page. You're now a step closer to adding a new editor. Here you'll be required to input the email address of the person you want to make an editor on your website. Make sure you enter the correct email address to ensure your invitation reaches the right individual. Once you've entered the email, you'll see an option labeled Admin. Click on this if you wish to grant the new editor admin privileges, which means they'll have more control and access over the website editing capabilities. Finally, after deciding on the level of access and ensuring all the information is correct, hit the Save Editor button to finalize adding your new editor. And there you have it, you've successfully added an editor to your Weebly website. It's a simple process, but by following these steps you can ensure everything is set